These are some of the key ways that you are going to change your life for the better, for good, ongoing. Number one, you want to make sure you're getting high quality sleep. The way you do that is to make sure your magnesium levels are topped up. I spray 30 sprays of magnesium into my skin every single day before I go to bed. That allows my muscles to relax. It also brings my magnesium levels up into tissue, and that allows my body to go to sleep and not tax my brain all night. I then go into deep REM, deep delta sleep, and then you get total restorative sleep. And the environment you're sleeping in, make sure that it is as pitch black as you can possibly get it and as silent as possible. Make sure you have no radio frequency devices on at all near you. That means Wi-Fi is off in the house. All the cell phones are on airplane mode. Nothing is transmitting radio frequencies. That interrupts your electrical system while you're sleeping. You'll have a much deeper sleep with that. Also, make sure you're not in a room where somebody else is moving around all night around you and or snoring or doing something that, even though you can't hear it when you're sleeping, you still have eardrums that still hear it, that interrupt you. Absolute silence, no movement, and as pitch black as possible, making sure you have enough magnesium in your system to keep your muscles relaxed and calmed right down. And the last thing to do for sleeping is make sure you do rhythmic breathing before you go actually into sleep. That means to the count of 5 going in through your nose, to the count of 6 going out through your mouth. And you don't want to have your mouth open when you're sleeping because you're going to be losing CO2 through an open mouth. If you're an open mouth breather, you can get a little thing that goes around your head to keep your jaws closed, or you can get that 3M hyperallergenic tape and you just tape the center of your mouth closed. Seems a little weird, but many people do this. You can still talk with your mouth like that. And if you had the unusual thing of vomiting, you can even still vomit, so you won't choke to death. But it keeps your mouth closed. Because when you lose too much CO2, CO2 is the mechanism that brings oxygen into your system, into the cell. And when you're breathing with your mouth open, you're releasing way too much CO2. Those are the main things that you're going to do to get deeper sleep every single night. And then you wake up in the morning fully restored, ready to go. You've done your DNA repair. Your body has rested and digested, and you're ready for a new day.